Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. In the given figure, triangle OQP is similar to triangle OAB and angle OPQ is equal to 53 degree and angle BOQ is given as 106 degree. So we have to find angle OAB. Now, it is given that angle BOQ is 106 degree. Therefore, we can say that angle QOP can be written as 180 degree minus 106 degree because of the angle on a straight line condition. So, these two are the angle in a straight line. So, the sum will be 180. Hence, angle QOP we have written 180 minus the other angle, that is 106 degree. So, this will give 74 degree. Now, we can see in triangle POQ, we all know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So, we can write angle OPQ plus angle QOP plus angle PQO as equal to 180 degree because of the property angle sum of a triangle. This is equal to 180 degree. Now, let us substitute the values of the angle that is given in the question and one we have calculated. So, from here we can get the unknown angle, that is PQO, which is equal to 53 degree. Now, it is also given that triangle OQP is similar to triangle OAB. So, these two triangles are similar. It is given. So, we know that for a similar triangle, we can make the angles equal. So, we can say since triangle OQP is similar to triangle OAB, the angle corresponding to that will also be equal. So, angle OAB will be equal to OQP, which will be equal to 53 degree. So, we can say that the answer is OAB, which is equal to 53 degree.